Welcome back to another episode from Bonnet Tutorial, where today we will be unboxing an Nvidia RTX 2080ti graphics card. Now, since this is an educational channel, this card will not be used for gaming. Instead, we're interested in deep learning. So in a later video, we will be benchmarking this card by forward propagating some images from the ImageNet dataset, and then forward propagating those through some standard base convolutional neural networks such as AlexNet or ResNet 50, and then timing that. So I threw out the buzzword convolutional neural network. If you want to at least have some understanding of it, check out my video on the convolutional operator. So one of the reasons why I bought myself a new Nvidia RTX 2080ti is because my old graphics card, which is an Nvidia 970, I think, that just wasn't going to cut it for what I wanted to do because it didn't have enough RAM. It only had 3 gigabytes of RAM. Because with a lot of these new base neural network architectures, these have basically just been designed to be cutting edge at, say, a task like image classification. And in order to just squeeze that last few percentages out, they just optimize it to fill up 1 or 2 graphics cards worth of memory, just piling in all the convolutional layers, or in the case of ResNet, residual layers. I guess I could probably do a video on ResNet if there's demand for it. So the RTX 2080 Ti, most of those have 11 gigabytes of RAM. It's kind of a pity, really, that you can't buy the 1080 Ti's anymore. Those also had 11 gigabytes of RAM. But anyways, here goes the unboxing.
So this is the box in question. Came freshly from scan. And oh wow, that's quite nice. It's even got the name of my graphics card manufacturer on the box. That is, after all, the most high value item inside this box. So let's go give it an open. And poof. Huh, that was easy. Yes, let's take a look inside. Alright, that's good. Packed up properly. Okay, got other gear for my deep learning rig. Not interesting. The EVGA graphics card with good warranty. And it's just as I wanted. The 2080 Ti. Now, let's go bring this up. It's quite heavy. No wonder why the main delivery box was named after the EVGA. It took up most of the box. Wow. That really is some beautiful packaging right there. But of course, the important thing is the hardware. The hardware is the important... the hardware is the important thing. Why did they chamfer that up? Now let's go unsticker this box. Now I'd actually already safety raised it earlier because these things are quite dangerous. Now then, let's see what's inside. Hopefully a graphics card. Okay, so let's pull this guy out with one hand, because... So, sliding the innards out with one hand. I think I might need to do I unboxed this earlier type video. Okay. Let gravity do its work. I probably shouldn't shake it that much. And miraculously, it just comes out. Because as far as footage is concerned, I did do this one-handed. Okay, so now then, let's see what's inside. Do I need any other stickers to unsticker? No. Okay. So I guess this will just rotate out like these things are normally designed, like that. Oh yes. And the moment of truth. Some nice styrofoam or some form of safety plastic packaging, but that's good. Inside we see some anti-static, hopefully containing the graphics card. Oh wow, that's nice. Some nice graphics on top of the graphics card, and the anti-static, which will eventually, or will shortly be sitting inside my computer. Haha. And here is the graphics card in all of its might and glory. EVGA GeForce RTX 2080 Ti. Now let's get a nice camera pan around that. So this thing has 11 gigabytes of memory and is approximately 27 centimeters long. And so there we have it, a GeForce RTX 2080 Ti graphics card made by EVGA. And so today I demonstrated taking the graphics card out of a box and then putting it back into a box. If you found my videos educational and or at least entertaining, please hit the subscribe button now.